how to fix your Twitter or X keeps crashing in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your X server status. In order to do that, you can simply go ahead and visit a site like Down Detector, and you can check if there are any problems regarding with the server itself. If that is not the case, you can simply go ahead and try to restart your mobile device or even update the application. Go to your iOS App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you're using, and simply check if there are any updates. If you're on an Android device, you can go to Settings, App, Apps, and Storage, and simply go ahead and clear cache. Always make sure that you have enough storage space, and then if none of it works, try uninstalling and reinstalling the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.